We guide you through how to clear Gmail search history on Android. So, the first thing you need to do is to open your Gmail app on your Android phone, tap the three lines menu in the top left corner, then scroll down and select Settings. From here, tap General Settings. Now look for Clear Search History and tap it. A confirm pop-up will appear. Simply tap Clear to remove all your previous Gmail search suggestions instantly. Once done, you can go back to the main screen and you'll notice that old search terms no longer appear when you tap the search bar. Keep in mind, this only clears search history inside the Gmail app and does not delete emails or affect your Google account data. If you're using multiple Gmail accounts on the same phone, this settings applies across the app.